Hello students, my name is Gopal Charan Sau, your maths teacher from St. Teresa School. Okay. Today I am continuing the chapter indefinite integration. Okay, indefinite integration. Let us take one question. E to the power x by e to the power 2x plus 5 e to the power x plus 6 whole into dx. How to proceed? Just to see. Let e to the power x is equal to u. What is the derivative of e to the x? This will be e to the power x dx is equal to du. After substitution, e to the power x dx, e to the power x into dx, it will be how much? Du. And this will be u square plus 5u plus 6. This much you got. After that, integration du, if you factorize by middle term breaking, you will get u plus 2 and u plus 3. See, this is you are getting here. Now you have to separate the fraction like this. 1 by u plus 2 minus 1 by u plus 3 whole du. See, if I take LCM, u plus 2 into u plus 3, this will come here and this will go there, then 1 will come. You have to break this single fraction into two separate fractions. This is called actual partial fraction chapter. I am doing it directly in one way. Now, what is the integration of this? This will be log u plus 2 minus, what is the integration of this one? Log u plus 3 mod plus c, integration constant. Now this will be log, using the log property, u plus 2 by u plus 3 mod plus c. Now this will be putting the value of u. What is u? This is e to the power x. E to the power x plus 2 divided by e to the power x plus 3 mod, because log given, logarithm is you have to take always positive value, mod plus c, integration constant, and this is the answer of number 1. See the question given like this: e to the power x divided by e to the 2x given, means e to the power x whole square plus 5 into e to the x plus 6 whole dx. I am taking e to the x as u. By substitution I am getting, and derivative e to the x dx will be du. Put the value of e to the power x dx will be du. This will be u square plus 5u plus 6. This is by middle term breaking, factorization, u plus 2, u plus 3. Now you have to separate the single fraction into two fractions like this. If you take addition, this will come 1 by this one. Okay. Now what is the integration of this one? This will be log this, minus sign, integration of this one, log this. Now this will be log this, as it's minus sign given, using log property, this by this plus c. Put in the value of e to the x as u. This is the final answer of number 1. Let us go number 2 question. See the question number 2 I am taking from the book exercise. Dx by x whole into x to the power 4 plus 1. How to proceed this type of sum? Okay, just to see, integration sign, dx by x given here and bracket given x to the power 4 plus 1. Okay, now multiplying x cube, both numerator as well as denominator. If I multiply here x cube, this will be how much? X to the power 4 into x to the power 4 plus 1. Okay, multiplying x to the x cube, multiplying x cube, both numerator and denominator. If I multiply here x cube, then this will be x to the power 4. Okay. Now you have to take let x to the power 4, x to the power 4 plus 1 is equal to u by substitution method. Now what is the derivative of this? This will be 4x cube dx is equal to 1 derivative 0. This will be du. Then x cube dx will be how much? Du by 4. Just you have to substitute the value of x cube dx here. Therefore it will be how much? x cube dx will be du by 4 divided by, now tell me x to the power 4 will be how much? U minus 1. Okay, and x to the power 4 plus 1 is how much? U. Just put here u. Now you take 1 by 4 outside, integration du by u minus 1 4 into u. Now you have to separate the single fraction into 2 like this. Just to see, integration sign in the bracket will give 1 by u minus 1 minus 1 by u whole du. Now what is the LCM of this one? U minus 1 into u. U will come here and this will be go there and so will be 1 by this will do this. That is okay. Now tell me 1 by 4, give the bracket here. What is the integration of 1 by u minus 1 du? This will be log u minus 1 minus this will be log u bracket close. Okay. U you have to give mod here and plus the integration constant. Now you see 1 by 4 log, what is the value of u? Tell me u minus 1 will be how much? U minus 1 will be x to the power 4. This will be x to the power 4. As it is given minus n in the middle, using log property, this will be how much? U means what? X to the power 4 plus 1 plus c, integration constant. Okay, this is the answer of number 2. Let us go number 3 question. See the question number 3 I am taking from the book exercise. Dx by x square plus 2x plus 5. Okay, this is the question given. How to proceed? Just to see, integration sign dx by, just to adjust here, x square plus 2x given here, and you need 1 here to make it something whole square, and plus 4 means 4 plus 1 5. Now tell me, integration dx by, this will be nothing but x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square equal to how much? X square plus 2x plus 1 plus, what is 4? 4 is 2 whole square. Okay, 2 whole square. Now let x plus 1 is equal to u. So what is the derivative of this one? Dx will be du. Just replace here. Dx means du, and this will be nothing but u square plus 2 ka whole square. Using the formula of dx by x square plus a square, the integration will be 1 by a. 1 by a means 1 by 2. Tan inverse x by a means u by 2. U by 2 plus c. Now put the value of u. 1 by 2 tan inverse, what is u? That is x plus 1. X plus 1 by 2 plus c. Okay. This is the answer of number 3 question, but you have to write the formula here since integration dx by x square plus a square, the formula is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Using the formula of dx by x square plus a square, that is equal to 1 by tan inverse x by a, use the formula here. This is du by u square plus a square. Here a means 2 and x means u. Formula will be 1 by a means 1 by 2 tan inverse u by 2 plus c. Now put the value of u, that is x plus 1. U is what? That is x plus 1 here. Okay. Put in the value of u, and that is half tan inverse x plus 1 by 2 plus. This is the answer of number 3. Let us go number 4 question. 4 I am taking from the book exercise. Dx by x square minus 10x plus 34. This is the question given. See, you have to arrange properly. Dx by, only arrangement required, x square minus 10x given. If I here write 25, then this will be x minus 5 whole square. From 34 I have taken 25. How much left here? This will be, how much left? Just tell me. 25 plus 9 will be 34. This from 34 I have adjusted here 25 and here 9. Why I am doing like this? Because This will be x minus 5 whole square. X minus 5 whole square. And 9 means what? 3 whole square. Now, directly you can do also, but I am saying the substitution method. Let x minus 5 as u. What is the derivative of left hand side? It will be dx. This will be du. Now put the value of dx here, that is du. And this will be u square. This is 3 whole square. Using the formula, then you will get 1 by 3, means 1 by 8. Tan inverse u by 3. Okay, plus c. Now put the value of u. This is 1 by 3 tan inverse u. Tan inverse, what is u? X minus 5 by 3, bracket close, plus c. See the integration question. See, this is the question number 4. Question is like this given, 34 given. You have to adjust the fraction in this manner, x square minus 10x plus 25. Because this will make 1 whole square, x minus 5 whole square. 34 means 25 plus 9. 9 means 3 whole square. Using the formula. What formula applying here? Same formula right here. Integration dx by x square plus a square. The formula is 1 by tan inverse x by a. Okay. Plus c of right. This is the formula. Using the formula of this one, I am getting the answer of number 4. Okay. I hope you are able to understand the process of solving number 4. Let us go number 5. See the question number 5 I am taking like this. From the book exercise. Integration dx by 3 plus 2x, here given minus x square. Here, if I take here minus common, this is the question, take minus common. This will be minus outside. Then this will be dx by, why I am taking minus common? To make it positive x square. Then this will be minus 2x and this will be minus 3. See, you have to adjust here. How to adjust? Minus integration dx by, see here very carefully, here you need x square minus 2x, you need plus 1 to make it whole square. Now what I write here? Minus 4, because minus 4 plus and will give you minus 3. I have adjusted the fraction. Now minus is outside, dx by, this is whose whole square? That is x minus 1 whole square, minus 4 means 2 whole square. Now tell me, let x minus 1 as u. What is the derivative of both sides? Dx, this will be du. Now put the value of dx as du. By substitution I am doing, x minus 1 means what? U square minus 2 whole square. See here, which formula I apply here? Minus x square minus a square formula. Okay. Using the formula x square minus a square, writing the formula here, since integration dx by x square minus a square, the formula is 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a. This is the formula you have to apply here. Okay? Integration dx by x square minus a square. So here, just tell me, x square means u square, a means your 2, 1 by 2a. A means what? 2, 1 by 2a log. X means what here? How much? X means here u minus a by u plus a. A means what here? A means you have to apply here, right? A means here 2. As for the question, a means 2 mod plus c. Now this is coming minus 1 by 4 log. What is u? That is x minus 1. X minus 1 minus, this will be x minus 3 by, if I put here x minus 1, this will be x minus 1 plus means plus 1. Putting the value of u as x minus 1 and see the integration constant. Okay. If question given minus x square and like this, you have to take minus common. Then it will be converted to x square minus 2x minus 3. Okay, you have to adjust here. This is plus 1 minus 4. Why I am making here? Because this will be x minus 1 whole square. and 4 means 2 whole square. Just to see, x minus 1 square minus 2 whole square. Now you apply x minus 1 as u, substitution method. Dx will be du, then this will be u square. The formula is dx by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a. Here a means 2, 1 by 2a means 1 by 4 log u value put here, x minus 1 means x minus 1 minus 3, and this will be x plus 1. Mod sign, in case of logarithm you have to write mod sign. This is the plus c. This is the answer of number 5. Okay, today this much. Next we will continue the chapter, this chapter. Thank you.